Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Sam and I would love to have you guys subscribe so you won't miss out on any new videos. So today I thought it would be really fun to show you guys some back to school hygiene product essentials that I think are key to keeping in your backpack or your gym backpack or your locker, whatever it is. It's perfect. And I feel like I know I might be a little bit late to this because some of you guys might have started already, but better late than never. So why don't we go ahead and get started. Before we get started into the video, I really quickly want to give a huge shout out to today's sponsor, and that is Glaze Skincare. Glaze Skincare is an amazing company and they have researched and tested their skincare products to develop a skincare line that shows results for anti-aging for half the cost. They're environmentally friendly and made with all recycled packaging, and they are cruelty-free, which is so amazing. Everything they put into their products is all natural, and they've really tried to develop this scientifically to help rejuvenate, repair, and hydrate your skin to help it look younger and fresher looking. So I just think that is awesome. So let me show you guys the products that they sent over. So the first product I want to show you guys is the retinol cream, and this is the Goodnight Retinol Complex scent-free cream. So you know that it's fragrance-free, which is super important in skincare. Fragrance can really affect your skin and cause it to get irritated. Retinol, as you guys have heard, is amazing for anti-aging. So I like to apply this at night, and I like to apply it before my moisturizer and really focus it on my cheeks, because also retinol, I've heard, is supposed to help with acne scarring, so hopefully it can kind of do 2-in-1. And I just love this sleek black packaging. It's not greasy at all. It's such a nice thick cream, but it's not greasy feeling or oily. Next product I have is their vitamin E, B3, and B5 algae extract for your face, neck, and décolleté. And as you guys know, your neck is the first part of your body that is supposed to show aging and is supposed to, get wrinkly, I guess you can say. You really want to make sure you're hydrating that area and keeping it moisturized so you prevent any wrinkles, and of course your décolleté as well. So I love to use this on my neck and my décolleté every morning and night. I've been using these products and they just feel so luxurious, but the best part about it is that they're really affordable for being, an anti-aging skincare line. Finally, the next product I have is probably my favorite, and this is the caffeine and vitamin C eye serum or eye cream. So here is what it kind of looks like. So I love to use this at night underneath my eyes because of course your eyes, you get crow's feet, things like that. And lately my under eyes have been really dry. So I love to use this just to kind of like moisturize underneath there. I use it with my ring finger, which is the softest finger to touch, and I just kind of pat it in and rub it in like that, and it just feels super nice. So yeah. So those are all of the products that I have from Glaze Skincare. Thank you so much to Glaze Skincare for sponsoring this portion of the video. If you guys would like to check them out, I'll have their link in the description box. Go tell them I sent you, and yeah, thank you again to Glaze Skincare. So I have been in school for I don't even know how long, but I just graduated from college, and I feel like I kind of know the key products to keep in your backpack, whether you're in high school, middle school, elementary, college, or just going to work or whatnot. I always like to keep these products in my purse or in my bag so that they're easily accessible. So the first product, in no particular order, is a hand cream. My hands lately have been getting so crusty and dusty and dry. I don't know why. I think it's because maybe I'm just washing them so much, but they've been getting very dry and cracked, and it's just not a cute look. It hurts, it's dry. So I think it's super important to keep a hand cream. It can be like a lotion. It doesn't have to be like specifically hand cream, but just some sort of like lotion for your hands that you can apply. Here I have White Tea and Sage hand cream by Bath and Body Works. It's a beautiful scent. I think I got this on sale or something. So yeah, I always like to keep a hand cream in my bag because my hands get dry, and maybe if you forgot to bring lotion, you can also apply it onto like your legs, your arms, your elbows, wherever it is. And I think it's just perfect for your purse. These are super tiny and it won't take up any space. Going with hand cream, I of course feel like I need to bring a antibacterial hand sanitizer. I lost my train of thought, but hand sanitizer is super, super important, especially during these COVID times and just regular times too. I think it's always important to make sure you have clean hands. Of course, washing your hands would be best, but if you don't have a sink right next to you, you can just quickly spray this on. This one again is from Bath and Body Works, but I just love like the spray kind. It makes me feel cleaner for some reason, and they have amazing scents. This one's cucumber and lily, and I'm almost done with this. So I always keep these in my car, in my purse, especially for my purse, because I find that like when I am like eating something, it's just really convenient to just spray it and rub it together, and everyone around me is always like, can I have some of that? Can I have some of that? So you always want to be that person who has all the hygiene products for everyone else. So these are perfect, and of course catch them on a good sale, get them as a free rewards, whatnot. Next up, I want to talk about deodorant. So maybe you guys have a gym class, PE, whatever you guys call it, or maybe you guys play a sport, or you know, maybe you're in college and you like to go to the gym in between classes. I think having deodorant is so, so, so important, because especially when you just start back to school, I feel like it's not super cold, at least where I live. It was never super cold. It was always still like summertime, and it gets sweaty. Maybe you have to walk home, maybe you have to do runs or things like that. It's just really good to use a deodorant and have one in your backpack. This one is the Dove Advanced Care in Shea Butter, and I love the Advanced Care line. It seriously keeps me super dry underneath my arms, which I love. The 0% aluminum one doesn't really keep me as dry, but I do really, really love this product. Yeah, I can't recommend it enough. I think it's super, super good, and they do have like the mini travel size ones as well if you like a smaller size and you just want to keep it in your purse or something. But honestly, this doesn't take up too much room, so I feel like I can kind of get away with it. And maybe you're not a whole like stick deodorant kind of person. I have another option for you guys, which is my Dove Advanced Care Dry Spray. This is again really good because it's a little more sanitary, whereas like that one, when you're dirty and you reapply, you might feel grossed out, I don't know. But the dry sprays are awesome because you can just like spray it real quick and be good to go. It's super quick. I know that when I used to have like PE and stuff, we only had like 10 minutes to change and like get ready and like go back to class. So I think this is really awesome as well. It provides a very potent, strong scent, which I love. So definitely pick this up if you like more of like that aerosol hairspray kind of can, or if you like a stick deodorant, pick up the stick deodorant. Also, another thing I would recommend is keeping baby wipes in your backpack, or little like moist towelettes, something like that, just to kind of refreshen yourself when it's hot, or maybe after PE. Again, I don't have any with me right now, which is surprising, but I would definitely keep those in my bag, either when you go to the restroom, you know, wipe down there, or you want to give yourself a little refresher and wipe underneath your arms, behind your neck, and just kind of give yourself a little like mini, like, I guess that's like a sponge bath kind of. And if you don't want to buy baby wipes, you can just use like some paper towels and just wet it a little bit and wipe yourself. That'll totally do too. I used to do that all the time, especially when we had to run the mile every Friday. That was terrible. But after you do that, I think it's great to use a fragrance mist just to retouch up on your scent for the day. And I have another mini. This is Gingham by Bath and Body Works. I love this scent. It smells so, so good, and I love to just keep these in my purse, in my car, just to give myself a little refresher either after lunch, things like that. It's perfect for that, so I highly recommend keeping a fragrance mist. Again, it doesn't have to be a mini because we used to have lockers, so do what you want. So these next few products are for people who maybe have showers in your school and you like to like quickly rinse off before. I know when I was in high school and I was a wrestler, we used to be able to like quickly take a shower after practice and stuff like that. So I would definitely keep like a little toiletry bag full of like, you know, shampoo, conditioner, body wash, at least body wash. So here I have a Saltwater Breeze shower gel. This is again another mini, so it's perfect for school, and once you run out of it, you can just refill it with any body wash, which I think is awesome. I always reuse my little travel size containers because it's super easy and convenient. But yeah, this is super awesome to just keep in there in case you ever do want to shower. You have the option to, and again, you can just leave it in your locker. So for lotion, I did not have a mini in this one, surprisingly, but here I have watermelon lemonade. I feel like when I was in high school and middle school and elementary school, everyone used Bath and Body Works. So it just brings me back so much nostalgia. It's crazy that I'm not going back to school this year, but I love watermelon lemonade. I think it's a fresh, nice, light scent, and it smells so good. It's nice and like it's citrusy because the lemon, and you know, we all gotta stay moisturized. Our legs gotta be moisturized if you're wearing a skirt or whatnot. It's perfect for that, and I just think it's amazing, and I highly recommend keeping this because you never know who else might need it. Next up is a little bit of, I guess, like feminine hygiene, but of course keeping pads, tampons, whatever you use in your backpack. Trust me, there have been so many times where other people needed a pad or tampon and they didn't like keep it in there. Just make sure you keep one in there either for yourself or for others. It can really come in handy, and you never know when your period's going to come. I mean, if yours is very regular, then you might know, but you know, sometimes it's not always on the dot and it comes unexpectedly, and it really sucks. So I would recommend keeping extra pads in your bag, and also, I know this might sound weird, but keeping an extra like pair of like clothes and underwear in your locker room if you can do that, because again, if you start your period, whatever, and it leaks or whatnot, you want to make sure that you just have something extra. I hated having like I would die in high school if I had to wear the freaking PE shorts that they just gave you, because my mom was not about to drop off clothes for me, okay? So I always just kept extra pair of pants, extra pair of like shorts or underwear, everything in my locker just in case. Even also if you get dress coded, which I used to get dress coded sometimes, so yeah. Another thing I have is a little Vaseline Cocoa Shimmer Stick. It doesn't have to be the shimmer one, but I think this is great again if you have cracked heels, and also if you want to make your scent last longer, this is perfect. And of course this one just adds you a little bit of glow, so if you're wearing like a v-neck or something, it's gonna look super cute, and I highly recommend keeping these. They're super moisturizing and I just love them. And if you guys aren't really like fragrance mist kind of people and you guys are perfume lovers, you could definitely bring like a roller ball or something like that. Here I have a replica bubble bath travel size spray, and what I love about this is that this is not a roller ball. This is an actual little mini travel size spray, and it's a spray perfume. Replica makes amazing scents, but they are super pricey, so don't love that. But I love this scent. It's a nice like light spring clean kind of scent. I mean, it's called bubble bath, so you know, you can kind of expect what it's gonna smell like. But yeah, you can get these at Sephora. I've been really into perfumes lately, and also if you don't have these, you can get those little like travel size perfume containers on Amazon and just fill it up with your favorite full-size perfume and take it with you to go. It'll be perfect and you're gonna be smelling bomb all day. So that is pretty much everything I have to share with you guys. I know that it's not like a bunch of things, like I didn't include scrubs or a ton of body washes, but these are just like my hygiene essentials for my backpack or my locker, things like that, things I would keep in there. So I hope this was somewhat, you know, helpful and you guys got something from this video. Let me know what you guys keep in your locker room or your bag, whatever it is. Usually all these things are in my bag, except for maybe like the full-size lotion. I'll just use my hand cream. But yeah, that is pretty much everything I have to share with you guys. I hope you guys have an amazing school year if you are going back to school, and if you're not, I just hope you have an amazing work year or a year in general, because 2021 has been crazy. But yeah, and remember to always do your homework, stay in school, be a good student, and stay smelling fresh all day. That is my life motto. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!